Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will tell you and show you how you can delete a business page on Facebook. Please friends, subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put your likes and also write comments after watching this video. So let's get started with you. Please open up your Facebook. Next, you will need to switch to your business page. To do that, you can click right here. And here, select the page that you want to use. Once you've switched to it, go to the menu section. And in the menu, at the top of the menu, click on the gear to go to settings. Here, friends, you will need to scroll down and then find your information section. And here you're going to select your controls. Next, you will see deactivate or delete. Click on that item. Once you get to deactivation or deletion, select Delete Page. Continue. Now, friends, you will have to choose any of the reasons. It's not really that important. Next, click Continue. Now scroll down as well and click Continue. And when you get to the page where you need to keep your Facebook password, you'll see it on this line here. Once you've entered your password, click Continue again, and you'll be taken to the very last Facebook delete page. You need to further just confirm your action, click again Delete Page, and then it will be deleted. This is the way you will be able to delete your Facebook business page. I hope this video was helpful and useful for you friends. Please put your likes, subscribe to our channel, also write your comments below the video. Goodbye.